Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from TalentUpskill, Class 6 English Version Math, Exercise 2.3. Question number 29. Alif can complete a piece of work in 20 days. Khalid can finish the same in 30 days. Here are three questions A, B, C. A. What amount of work can Alif and Khalid do in one day? Let us solve A first. We have to find out the amount of work Alif can do in one day and then Khalid can do in one day, because we have to find out the amount of work. So we put amount of work on the right and the days on the left. So Alif in 20 days can finish the whole work or the complete work. The whole work means one work. Whole means one. Alif in 20 days can finish one work. Therefore, Alif in one day can finish the work will decrease, because days decrease, so work will decrease. So 1 by 20 work. Now Khalid can finish the same in 30 days. Khalid in 30 days can finish one work. Therefore, Khalid in one day can finish 1 by 30 work. Now we just add and get the answer. What amount of work can Alif and Khalid do in one day? So we add 1 by 20 and 1 by 30. Therefore, Alif and Khalid can do in one day how much? 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 equals to the LCM, or the least common multiple of 20 and 30 is 60. So 1 multiply 3 is 3 and divide 60 by 30 is 2. 1 multiply 2 is 2 equals to 5 by 60. Now simplify, divide both by 5. This will be 1 and this will be 12 equals to 1 by 12 work, and that is the answer to A. Now we will solve question B. In how many days did the work get finished? Alif worked and Khalid worked. So Alif worked only 3 days. 3 days up to this. And Khalid worked more than 3 days. First he worked with Alif 3 days, and then he worked to finish the rest of the work, but we don't know how many days Khalid worked alone. We have to find out the number of days Khalid worked alone. So let us find out in 3 days how much work done by both Alif and Khalid, and then after 3 days how much work left, so that we can find out how many days Khalid needed to finish the rest of the work. From question we know Alif in 20 days can finish one work. Therefore, Alif in 1 day can finish 1 by 20 work. Therefore, Alif in 3 days can finish 3 by 20 work. Now, how much work Khalid does in 3 days? From question, we know Khalid in 30 days can finish 1 work. 1 work means complete work or whole work. Therefore, Khalid in 1 day can finish 1 by 30 work. Therefore, Khalid in 3 days can finish 3 by 30 equals to, if we simplify, it will be 1, it will be 10. We are dividing both by 3. So it is 1 and it is 10. So we can write 1 by 10 work. Now we add 3 by 20 and 1 by 10. And we get the amount of work done in 3 days by Alif and Khalid. Alif and Khalid together finish in 3 days how much work? 3 by 20 plus 1 by 10. 3 by 20 plus 1 by 10 work equals to, LCM is 20, this will be 3 plus, divide 20 by 10, it's 2. 2 multiply 1 is 2, equals to 5 by 20. Now we simplify, divide both by 5. This is 1 and this is 4, equals to 1 by 4 work. So up to 3 days, the work done is 1 by 4 work. So how much work left after 3 days? After 3 days, work left equals to 1 whole work minus 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4 work. Now Khalid alone has to finish this 3 by 4 work. And how many days Khalid needs to finish this 3 by 4 work? We know Khalid finish. From question we know Khalid finish 1 work or the whole work in 30 days. So how many days Khalid need to finish 3 by 4 work? Khalid finished 3 by 4 work in 30 multiply 3 by 4 equals to, we simplify, this will be, if we divide both by 2, it will be 15 and it will be 2. And it will be 3 into 15 is 45 by 2 equals to 22 and half days. Now we got the answer to this question mark. Khalid alone worked 22 and half days. Therefore, how many days did the work get finished? First, both worked 3 days and then Khalid alone worked 22 and half days. So, therefore, total days needed equals to 3 plus 22 and half days equals to 25 and half days. And now we will solve the last question. See, if each of them individually finish 5 by 16 portion of the work, find out the ratio of their wages they are entitled to. To find out the ratio of the wages, we need to find out the wages of Alif and wages of Khalid. And to get the wages, the question says already the daily wages of Alif is 500 and daily wages of Khalid is 400. We need to know the number of days they worked. So to get the wages, we need to know the days they worked, and then we can find out the wages. And to determine the days, we have to put the days on the right side and work on the left. Alif, from question we can write Alif can finish one work in 20 days. Therefore, Alif can finish 5 by 16 work in, we just multiply 20 multiply 5 by 16. And now simplify, divide both by 4, this will be 4, this will be 5. 5 multiply 5 is 25 by 4. The unit will be days. So Alif's wages for one day is 500 taka. Therefore, Alif's wages for 25 by 4 days, 25 by 4 days is, we have to multiply 500 multiply 25 by 4. If we simplify this, this will become 3125 taka. Now Khalid's wages. Similarly, Khalid can finish one work in 30 days. Therefore, Khalid can finish 5 by 16 work in 30 multiply 5 by 16 days. And we simplify, this will be divide 30 and 16 by 2, then this will be 15 and this will be 8, equals to 75 by 8 days. Now Khalid's wages for one day Khalid's wages for one day is 400 taka. Therefore, Khalid's wages for 75 by 8 days, 75 by 8 days is, we multiply 400 multiply 75 by 8. If we simplify, this will be 3750 taka, 3750, and unit is taka. Now that we found out Alif's wages for 5 by 16 work, Alif's wages is 3125 taka and Khalid's wages is 3750 taka. We can easily find out the ratio of their wages. The ratio will be Alif's wages is to Khalid's wages. Equals to, Alif's wages is 3125 taka. Khalid's wages is 3750 taka, equals to 3125 taka, 3750 taka. Now if we simplify, divide both by taka, taka and taka gone, and if we simplify this, we get 5 by 6. First, we converted the ratio into fraction, and now we convert the fraction into ratio. So 5 is to 6. So we got the answer to question C. What is the ratio of the wages? It is 5 is to 6. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please write in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.